Yeah, this is the hawk moth caterpillar. A baby snowboarder practices the tenacious grip that will enable it in adulthood to inch stealthily along slender branches in quest of insects, birds, and small reptiles. Each of its forearms contains an extensive network of blood vessels that distributes the flow of blood evenly through the tissues and allows the muscles to remain tense without danger of getting cramped. Yeah. Looks cute. A huge tarsier snarls defensively, its black pupils reduced to mere spots in a patch of bright sunlight. With its superb vision and the alert sense of hearing provided by its broad, papery ears, the tarsier is able to expertly pinpoint the juicy crickets and beetles that it stalks by night. Kind of looks like the guys from Gremlins. Comment below if you've seen that film, Gremlins. Securely anchored by both feet and one hand, a young male orangutan cautiously bridges the gap between two trees with a 7-foot arm span. By pulling on the tip of the branch he has grabbed, he will draw the rest of the branch within reach, and thus gain a firm handhold with each to swing himself across. Heavy-bodied orangs prefer this mode of locomotion to the leaping of more lightweight apes. This is the orangutan. A pregnant orangutan hangs in luxuriant strangling fig tree and scans the branches close above for her the rippest of the fruit. She's looking for food. The damp, mossy forest at 6,000 feet. The picture of a Nepenthes villosia. Lowe's pitcher plant. A mountain blackbird. Inquisitive rat snake. Colingine orchid. Bullpinum orchid. A tall rhododendron. Bushy vegetation at 10,000 feet. The naked flank of the mountain. Leaves of a schema bush. Lycopodium, a club moss. Clouds theatrically lit at sunset. Metamorphized rock and granite. Great plates of granite. The donkey's ears. Looking into Lowe's gully. Grasses around a pool of rainwater. Rhododendron iricoides. A dwarf leptoserpium. Twisted roots in a granite rock. The view from the top of Kinabalu. Panting in the tropical heat, a female rhinoceros hornbill flaunts the horny upcurved projection or cast that gives the species its name. Although this hollow ornament is possessed by both sexes, It is much larger in the male, which suggests it has some part to play in the courtship in territorial displays. See, this is the rhinoceros hornbill. The male-crested greenwood partridge, a relative of the exotic great Argus pheasant, is festooned with all the eye-catching qualities so vital that the courtship activities of birds that live in the shaded forest floor are the magnificent plume of the red of the bill and the intricately furrowed skin around the eye to help the suitor lure females. This is the greenwood partridge. And swarming out to repair the nest, drawing the leaf edges together. A larva center is being used as a shuttle. A crew of worker ants closing a last tear. The asparagus-shaped roots of the Soneratia tree protrude above mud and salt water at low tide in a mangrove swamp. The roots absorb oxygen through tiny pores in their surface and transfer the oxygen to other roots lying beneath the mud. Without the benefit of these air-breathing roots, the mangrove tree will suffocate. See that? Look at all the spikes.